I'm still here in the house, but I'm now really ready to go. I was trapped in the rain. This time we're going to see if this one is really waterproof. Whoa! Whoa, 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 it's scary! Yeah, this is still a part of the Lake Macquarie. In case you don't know, this Lake Macquarie is the biggest lake in the southern hemisphere. It's very good. Oh, the rain now is very heavy. I don't know where I'm going to be covered up. Okay, we keep on driving. The rain has slowed down, and yeah, we are now here in this T road, and we're actually going to go this way, going to the entrance, Sydney. I was about to go to the Rapper T Resort, but I was thinking maybe they need bookings, reservation. Yeah, they have restaurants, but they looks exclusive. Yeah, Rapper T somewhere on that side. Oh, it shows that there is like a walkway. Maybe going to that cafe. But no, I'm not very hungry. Okay, we find a way going to the next stop. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. Listen up, yo, yeah. You notice that I used the rain cover. And I reached this another beautiful community. I hope to see a restaurant. The name of the place is Noordswarp. So it sounds like German. Netherlands. Oh, there's supposed to be a restaurant here, but closed. And look at that. Yeah, suddenly the sun shows. So good, because it's going to be dry very soon. I'm at the moment in front of the Noordswarp Public School. Yeah, and then here there is this small park facing to the water, and we will keep on going. You know, a place like this requires you to have a full of stack of food in your house. Oh, this road ends here. Okay, it means we go back now. There is another access I saw in the map. And then in this area, the houses, they have a very long driveway. Yeah, far from the road. Okay, we're going to take this road. This is Awabakal. The name of the road, Awabakal Drive. And we'll head to the Pacific Highway. And then our next stop will be the Munmura, Lake Munmura. Yeah, Munmura. We are now here in the Pacific Highway. Not very busy. Welcome to Central Coast. The entrance. We just came from that Pacific Highway, and this is the entrance of this park. This place is called the Munmura State Conservation Area. Visitor fees apply at Munmura State Conservation Area. This fees help maintain the visitor facilities in the park. So there is a camping ground in here, but it's still too early for me to stay here for camping. Yeah, and of course you need to book if you want to do camping. Also you need to pay. Okay, we're not going inside this Munmura State Conservation Park because there is the entrance fee. Also, yeah, I need to stay in the guest house in the hotel to edit some videos. Coming from Pacific Highway, I've been driving, and this Elizabeth Drive, and you know, this is the only restaurant that I see. The rest are residential area. Residential. And if I go straight going to that road, that is going to Budgeway. Yeah, so better we eat first in this Mutt's Diner. I finished my fried chicken and chips, and now I'm waiting for a cup of coffee, and then we'll be driving all the way to Woodsway. Oh, Woodsway? Budgeway. Coming from that restaurant, we are now here again driving. And also I check if there is a cheap hotel in this area, and the cheapest is actually over $100. You can see it is raining now again, and there's one guy don't care about the rain. Yeah, there is no sign that there is a rain. Just a couple of minutes driving from the rain, and now it's like this. Yeah, we're getting into this way. This is actually just on the other side. Behind of that is the main road, highway. So we're better to use this way. Look at these trees. They look very dry. That guy in the car is smiling. This is very nice because yeah, there is this bike way all the way to that side. Nice. And you know, that side is already the sea, and on this side is the lake. I don't know if this is all the way to the entrance. So I took the jacket off. There's no more sign of the rain. I am tempted to have a look over there. No, we go. And we are back in the highways, but still there is this lane. Oh, Central Coast is nice. There is always a bike lane like this. And we are now here in this place. It's called Tokle. Tokle. I don't know really. There is this ground, but there's no access, so we go this way. This is the proper way. And there are some picnic tables. Yeah, down there is beautiful, but I can't see the rest of it because of this. Maybe there is a proper way on the other side. Actually, there is a walkway in here going down, but I don't want to leave the bike. It is now 4:37. I was staying here for a couple of hours, yeah, maybe just 1 hour, and looking for a place to stay, and I end up paying $167, and we are going there now. I really wanted to do camping, but I'm not ready. Oh, there's a way here, so we go this way. You maybe notice that you don't see people in the video. That is because I choose to record when it is safe to do so. Yeah, it's safe when there is no cars, when there's no people. Oh la la, we reached this place, and there is another lake in here. So we're going to this side. You know, it's good here in Central Coast. Everywhere you go, if it is near to the main highway, they always have this shared way. So I basically stayed in Nora Head for a couple of hours, looking, checking online for a possible place to stay. Yeah, that's Nora Head, the name of that place. And now I'm back here in Tokle, heading to the other side. We are now in the Tokle Bridge, and after this bridge will be the Gorokan. Gorokan sounds like a place in Turkey. Sounds like a place in Istanbul. And that is the hotel that we are going to stay. It's a motel. Yeah, Motorist Hotel. Let's go to that side. It's better, it's safer to cross. We are now here inside of this hotel. It's a family hotel. I took it because this is the cheapest among the choices around the area. I mean, this is also the nearest. There's no so much choices, so I got this one. And I would like to say happy birthday, belated happy birthday to Lucy Yu from Indonesia. I hope you are having a good time, you enjoyed the birthday. Yeah, thank you for watching. Oh, this is the nearest restaurant in my hotel. The name is Walyara Bay Recreation Club. Yeah, but if you are not a member, you're going to pay $4 more. Yeah, example for noodles, the price is $15. If you are not member, you pay $19. Yeah, so expensive. We go to that side. Okay, we're going to have a takeaway at Thai food. Oh, the same like yesterday. All these cars that are in line in here, they are waiting for their takeaway food. Yeah, I'm watching my old videos. That is Abby, me, and John. We are walking around in Melbourne. We are actually getting into different restaurant, hotels. We are submitting our CV, looking for a job during the time. And now I am here eating this. Yeah, this $32, very expensive. Pork belly and rice. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I am starting to packing my things and we'll be heading out. This is the room. I didn't touch those two beds, of course, just this. And one thing I noticed in this hotel room is they don't have coffee. Yeah, there's no coffee station. They have that kettle, but they don't have coffee. The good thing is that I have my coffee sachet on my bag, and that's what I use. Yeah, nice. And you know, I am watching the YouTube video of Adventure Street. Adventure Street. Yeah, so this guy, he went to Blue Mountain and he bike in there, bikepack in there, and that's what I'm going to do today. Oh, I almost forgot this camera. Yeah, we're going to have these gloves, protection from the sun. The previous day I was not wearing this, that's why I got this a little sunburn. I found a little problem. Look at this. I lost the screw of my pannier, of this rack. The small problem that I have is now a big problem. Look at this. So it's broken now. My pannier is now, my rack is broken. I don't know. Not good.